One way or another. He's trying to recover, man.
He's kind of looking at him.
Like, is he worth it? This guy, that bird, man. No.
He had a hard impact. He had a hard impact, but the bird on the ground had a harder impact.
Very good. Because he was getting chased.
He's looking at him now. Maybe he'll start eating them.
He's like a dinosaur, dude.
He's just chilling.
He's so pretty, man. Look at that. I really like him. I really love the way he's built. You know? He's just an amazing animal. The falcon.
Is that a falcon or a hawk?
I don't know.
I think it's more a hawk.
Maybe a hawk. I don't know.
Look like, did he injure his beak on the bottom? Because his tongue is sticking out further than his...
Maybe his beak broke.
Yeah.